Hey guys, welcome back to Vito's Garage. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and do some stuff. I need to go buy oil for this car. We need to change oil, but before doing that we're actually gonna go and check out that W126, the beige color W126 that I was working on, that I fixed. If you guys remember, if you haven't watched the video, it's going to be down below. You guys can go check it out. There was a W126 that I was fixing up that wasn't hasn't ran in 10 years, but she's all good right now. And the reason why I want to go and check it out is because the owner of that car actually sent me a nice picture, because he cleaned that car up really nicely. So I think it's going to be really awesome to go there and get some videos for you guys, so you guys can see how that car looks like right now. It's a pretty nice transformation. But anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done that, please subscribe. There's a lot of videos that I have on this channel that I keep posting. I used to make a lot of tutorial videos. Right now it's probably mostly kind of like vlogs, kind of repairs and all that stuff. And hope you guys like it. Let me know if you guys like that type of videos. And then yeah, just let's go. I'm gonna this car hasn't ran in like 2 weeks. I really miss this car so much. So I'm gonna make a video of a cold start right now as well. So we'll see how she starts up. It's not that cold right now. It's probably like 60 degrees here in Washington, in Northwest. So yeah, let's get to it. Don't forget to like the video. It really helps a lot. And save old school cars, and remember, das Beste oder nichts.
A few moments later.
Suffocating, I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright guys, I already checked the oil. The oil is good on the car. I'm gonna give it a cold start. I'm gonna take this thermal protector off so we can see where we drive, right? Yeah, it's a good idea, smart idea. Oh, man, I suck at folding this. Guys are ready? Anyways guys, so she started, she started a little rough. I think there's probably one of my glow plugs is not working, so I'm gonna have to do some checks. I'm not sure when the glow plugs were replaced last time. I think they're pretty old, so I'm gonna have to do that as well. And then also there was some blue smoke that came out, but it's all cleared up right now. So yeah, we're gonna go right now, let it warm up a little, and we have to go to the gas station. I have to fill up a little. I should say not gas station, I should probably say diesel station. She takes diesel. Also, what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to remove these headlights, clean them from inside really nicely too. There's gonna be a video on that as well. Just make sure that there's no leaks.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I also noticed a couple leaks under the car. I think this is coming from power steering. So we'll get that addressed at some point. Anyways, she's all warmed up. We're gonna start We're gonna go and pump some diesel in this baby, and then we're gonna go to that place so I can film some nice videos about that beige W126 for you guys.
One eternity later.
She's thirsty. Alright guys, we're just filled up, and now we're going to his house. We're gonna check out that Benz.
1 hour later.
Ooh, look at that thing, guys. It's a really transformed car, huh? She's so clean now, pretty much, except the interior.
I didn't check and see what the fuse blowed on this box.
There's a fuse, but it was okay. You know.
You checked that out?
Yes, the fuse is okay. So it's just the problem with this whole box. It just needs to be replaced. It's called a glow plug relay.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I checked it out.
So.
I got some spray
Would
glue.
be,
I gotta clean
yeah,
that off
it's-
some. But I hit the engine a little bit.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, but I finished cleaning it.
It just needs a battery and an oil change.
Yeah.
And then pretty cool.
Huh?
Nice car.
Yeah. Yeah. So what you doing the rest of the day?
Today I was planning I have to change my oil. I'm gonna go to Walmart, grab oil, and then I was gonna go to my friend's house too. He needs something done on his car. But other than that, I'm not really much going on, you know, to be honest with you. Wow, she cleaned up really nice. I like it.
That pressure washer does a good job.
Yeah, it does, right? It's really nice.
Yeah, that pressure washer does a good job. Just got to what you call it?
Oh, the windshield.
Yeah, I got to take it to the guy. I got a guy
Yeah.
waiting for me to take it to him.
Something fell on it, probably, right?
Yeah, doggone tree branch.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to take it over to.
Yeah.
But what I need to do is I need to get.
Yeah, so basically we're looking for that glow plug relay right now for the owner, and also might need to get a new battery, needs oil change and new tires. So saved an old school baby. Alright guys, just got the oil and I have my oil filter back home, so I'll be changing the oil today and an oil pan gasket probably. So.
Never gonna